be my birds. Oh. That can't be my birds. No, that can't be my birds.